Hello, Ken here with Ultralight Camera Solutions, and this video will be on our cinema arm kits. This will be part 3, and specifically I'm going to cover a new tripod that we have. It's pretty cool. I had a friend come by with his motorcycle one day. We played around to see what we had to fit on the motorcycle, and with his help we came up with this contraption, I'll call it, but it's really cool. The reason being is this has Cardellini clamps, as you can see, on each end, and it's got the cutout clamps also. Our cutout clamps here, so you can get any angle that you want. And these, with the Cardellini clamp, you can mount them all kinds of different places, and in just a few we'll show you a picture of this mounted on the motorcycle. The nice thing about this too is all the arms are extendable. So if you wanted to mount it more like this and you needed the arms to come out, you can do that. And then up here it's made for a GoPro, and it's got the cutout clamp here, so you can get any angle you want. You can get this thing mounted way out. You can mount this probably on a car, or probably, you know, anything that you can find these mounting points. And, you know, again, you can move this all over the place. So this is totally adjustable. It's really cool. It's definitely not for everyone, but I think this could really solve a good problem on shoots where maybe you need to mount a GoPro and it's like, where do we do it and how much time? This we were able to mount onto this motorcycle within about 5 minutes, and my friend drove all around the back hills with this thing mounted on there, never issue with it coming loose. So I think it's really cool. But here's a picture of it mounted on the motorcycle, and at one point he loosened everything up and just basically loosened the legs and just moved it out here and tightened it back up, and then loosened the clamps to do that. So you can move this thing all over the place. And I think it's really cool. It is on our website. It's brand new. We've never shown this in public yet, so this is the first time. I hope you enjoy it. And if you guys have any questions on anything that we have, always please feel free to give us a call or an email, because we are here to help, and that's part of why we are called Camera Solutions now, because we're here to try to help solve solutions and problems that you might have. So other than that, have a great day and happy filming.